This intersection, Dixie and Dundas, it's +2, but it feels like -5. Now we're heading to the bank. Yeah, so it's we're heading to the bank. It's like a few minutes away. It's wind chill, it's -5 today. It's a cold day. It's January. January is cold. Middle of the winter, and we're expecting this 10 centimeters of snow at least tonight. Yeah. Yeah, this intersection down the St. Dixie in Mississauga. Yeah, it's the big plaza here. A lot of stores and Costco. Also get this Snowstorm arrived in Mississauga. It's 9 p.m. and you can see what it did. It's blowing snow. It's really like a winter storm. It's just so windy. We're going to explore a little bit around. I'm not there to go too far. Yeah, well, they plow the roads, but you know, it's still blowing. Oh my god. Just middle of the winter. As you see, a lot of cars still on the road. The sidewalk is terrible. It's not long, so I barely walk here. Terrible. It blows to my face. I can't see anything. Basically, I'm just like a blind person, and the snow continued. It began actually as a rain, changed to rains with snow, and now it's snow. It's expected 10-15 centimeters of snow. Terrible day. I'll just explore a little bit and show you a glimpse of weather here. Well, next day it's creek become a little bit sort of a river like this. It was, after all, it was rainy, so it's this is what happened when we clear all this snow. It's a mix of snow, it's sand, pretty much all this messy stuff. Yeah, as I said, all this snow gone, Now we got this, and we expect again snow and freezing temperature, so it's gonna stay here for sure. Good morning, guys. I'm here walking to grocery store and pick up some cauliflower. I will see about what. As a quiet day, it's Saturday morning. Oh, let's see this Mary Brown chicken, famous Canadian joint or chicken, and it's a sort of restaurant. I'm gonna show you guys a glimpse of supermarket, grocery store. Chicken breast, guys, it's about 800 grams. Around $10. Yes, I get this. kind of split chicken, marinade, season. You get these sausages, turkey, chicken, and pork probably, yeah. Pork sausages, ground meat. It's around about $5. That is here. Corn dogs. Some chicken nuggets. All-time favorite Kit Kat minis. Not pretty much, guys. Continue. Oh, no bottles here. Oh, it's all about choices for different kind of food and cuisine. Did you find the sauces? Sauces? Sauces on sale, yeah? Okay, alright. Oh, pasta on sale. That's good. Pasta on sale. Ketchup, mustard. Frozen cakes. Ice creams. Air 7. I got this French vanilla. It's on sale. Everything is on sale. Oreo ice cream. And this is, guys, supermarket FreshCo in Canada. If you big on ice cream, so you can get this a big jar. I'm not sure about how big it is, but it's really huge. This was shopping at FreshCo. Now you got a glimpse of supermarket in Canada. This is here in the distance here. So it's snow start again. So we're bracing for more snow. I will get some grocery today.